Bought this bamboo drawer organizer here. It has the adjustable wings also. So I measured my drawer ahead of time, and I knew that drawers in these, there's always different sizes, so there wasn't one exactly the right size. But I did like the fact that this one had the extension on it, so I'd be able to utilize one full extension wing. The other one's just gonna stay collapsed. But I was also looking for one that had 5 different arrangements for the utensils that we have, and then also for the different kids stuff in here. So this one fits in here really nice. It's really beautiful, and it cleans really well. This is all bamboo. It's well put together, and it's really easy to clean. So you just hand wipe it down with soapy water and let it air dry to be able to maintain its quality if it gets dirty at any time. But right out of the bag here, really great quality, really enjoying it. And even though I'm only going to be able to use one of the wings, I'm really excited to be able to put this to use, and it really creates a nice, beautiful scape here. I was using a plastic one, and I just never really liked it, even though it seemed to have the versatility for the utensils. It didn't bring out the beauty in the space, and this one really does. There we go. Really great to be able to have it all nice and organized here, not having to worry about digging through a mess and just not having it look as nice. Kitchen utensils are something that we use every single day, so might as well have something that you really enjoy. Here's the finished look that we have set up for right now. Really nice to be able to have it all organized.